相送比夜兰口啊，一送你进的吧，把为东京女子土比风吧，那座钢琴特别让我。就在不动静，浪出钢筋不必让我，让谁让我，让谁配让我。当记忆所向路，当不变家娃，一送一进的吧，谁为有几看进去门，那座钢筋配上。
보험, 보험. 오케이. It's ready then.
In my talk just now, I mentioned 2 points. And one of them is that people don't know that there was a big effort in Qinghai, the Chinese call Qinghai, which is Amdo, to kill a lot of Tibetans very early in the 50s. And there was almost like what the Chinese refer to as a war, 56 to 58, before 50. And they killed thousands, like hundreds of thousands of Amdo. And they took away their animals and they slaughtered whole villages, women and children. It was really, really rough. And because the Chinese did not consider that the 17-point agreement covered Amdo and Khang, what they call Inner Tibet, only what they call Tibet, what they later called Tibet Autonomous Region. So there was huge slaughter there, and then of course in Kham, when the Tibetans started to fight back, more huge slaughter before 1959. So that's not well known, but it's coming out now. Like, the Solzhenitsyn, the full extent of the Tibetan Holocaust, you could say, is beginning to come out. That's not point one. The second point I made was, I forgot what. About the immolations.
The body
of the 152 people so far. And we hope no more because they've made the statement. So we're not asking for more. We don't want them. But anyway, of those 152 people, they shouldn't be called in English self-immolation. The Tibetans themselves refer to it as Ranglu Me Sek or Ranglu Me Chö. And those mean the burning in fire of one's body and the the offering in fire of one's body. So really we should call them body immolation. If you translate that as self-immolation, it sounds too much in English like suicide. But for a Tibetan it is not suicide because their soul, their mind continues beyond the death of the body. It's an act of great generosity, like a hero's act, to give away their body for the sake of their people, for the sake of truth and justice. It is considered a very noble act, and it's not suicide. It's not a desperate act. It is a heroic act. And so we should only refer to them as body isolation. And I was recently doing a review of Terry Öser's wonderful new book, which I recommend to everyone, called Tibet on Fire, about the body immolation. And that's a point that happened in the great part of that review. And it's very important that people be aware of that. Okay? It's a very victorious, triumphant, heroic thing. After all, we celebrate heroes in war who die while killing other people. And even they have the Muslims, they celebrate suicide bombers also, who destroy themselves in order to harm other people. But the key about the Tibetan thing and the Buddhist thing in history, although never before has anybody done such a number, the key of that is they don't hurt anybody else. And that's very, very important. It's still non-violent. It's the ultimate non-violent act of heroism. Okay? So those are my points. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
等记忆所生路，等不并前往。一送一进的吧，人为日记靠我进进门，那座钢筋配壁上。上我，上线上我，上线上不进了那土刚刚的选的，一浪口为人啊，这笔送给当家当我，那座钢筋配壁上。